Come in.
What up, bro? What up?
Got X.
Bet.
The X fan.
I play when I'm
crunchy riches. Now that's a perfect
when I'm
mix.
yeah.
The bass god.
I'm gonna show you a song. It's a banger.
Alright.
The Mexican one, fam.
Alright, you got Ox.
Yep.
The drill rap.
I'm a gorilla in the fucking scope. No, you can't get no money, silly hoe.
The light skin shoddy.
Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to.
I only play the radio.
Hey, do you have a aux cord?
No, I just listen to the radio.
Okay. This is what you listen to?
Yup.
Nah, bro, I can't do this, bro. I don't fuck with radio music, bro.
But it's the best.
The one that always has music that we can't understand, but it bangs.
You was fucking with that or not? Nanji.
I used to listen to this one, but I forgot. Like the guy singing, it's like Luke.
Luke Skywalker?
No.
The country boy.
A shiny little Beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but you wouldn't get out.
That's some good dip.
The hyped one.
Pop these niggas like a willy nigga. You a silly nigga. In the hole with them Billy niggas and them Hoover niggas. You a no. And they showing niggas we ain't hooping nigga. No can't beat. You a loser nigga.
The one that knows every lyric.
They for the block, they for the Kevin and Robin and Rock'em and Tiggy and 40 be quiet. Niggas recording, you wanna talk with a dub and I'm housing that bitch. Bleed it to death, feed on my niggas then leave it to death. I been so cool with this shit, do you live it?
Hang out with the mom, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I would've phone with a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking.